folks.
Hey everybody, Jeff and Steph's.
Oh, I was going to say at the same time.
Oh, you go first. Adventure. Okay.
Adventure. And look right behind us here.
It's a big rock.
This is Morro Rock at Morro Bay in California.
It's a big rock.
Yes, it's massive. And it's seen in a lot of like California guidebooks and tourist things because it's a famous attraction, and it is a state park here.
Now, do you want to hear something about this rock, Stephanie?
Yes, tell us about Morro Rock.
Okay, so this here rock was used to help the mariners navigate when they were on their way up to San Francisco.
And Monterey, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Because you can see it from a long ways off.
Yeah, it's huge. We could see it as we were driving in on the freeways. And it says it's one of 9 peaks along the coastline here on the Pacific of California that the mariners would use to figure out where they were in order to get to the big shipping ports like Monterey and San Francisco.
Yeah, and we'll try to show you with a kind of a map or an aerial view of what this actually looks like on a map, because it just looks like a rocky mountain.
Yeah,
but
it's kind of on its own little island.
Yeah,
This is an overhead view of Morro Rock and Bay. And you can hear there's a lot of ships and boats coming around here because we keep hearing them blowing their horns.
well, it's a bit foggy, so I'm going to go with that's a foghorn.
It is super foggy. We drove up to the rock this morning. The whole thing was covered in fog. You can still see a little bit, yeah, right up there. But it's starting to clear up. It's going to be a beautiful day, so we're going to check it out.
Let's do this stuff.
Let's do it. Come
Let's
with
see what
us.
happens. Yeah.
So Morro Rock was an important mariners' navigation site. It's documented all the way back to 1769 when some ships used it to navigate, and they camped on this area on their trek along the Pacific coast to find Monterey. It's also called the Gibraltar of the Pacific. So the Morro Rock State Park here at Morro Bay has a nice walking trail around it, and it's mostly crushed gravel. There are some paved areas also, but you can walk all the way out to the jetty.
Now there's another experience that you can have while you're here.
What is that?
In this here water?
Yeah.
Swimming with sharks.
Oh,
I
yeah.
won't go in there for any amount of money.
No, I think I'll take a pass on that.
Yeah.
Over here is downtown Morro Bay. Wow, look at all these guys. Hi. This guy thinks I have some food, but I don't. I'm so sorry, you're adorable. He's right next to my feet. This woman was feeding the squirrels flower petals, which she said is good for them, and they actually seem to love them. There are 2 sea otters out here swimming in the bay. They're so cute. Every once in a while they do a little flip and play together. This is cool. We're on the paved portion of the path now.
It's a really nice walkway.
Yeah, it's super wide and flat.
Squirrel alert.
Uh-oh, and we're getting
Dude, I got
accosted by squirrels who want food.
It's
and they're
Squirrel Park.
so cute. Look at him. He was like running up to us. Yeah, there are a lot of squirrels here, and they're not scared of people at
No,
all.
I'm not scared at all. That's so funny.
We're on the back side of Morro Rock out towards the water now. You can see the fog just slightly around the top of it, is massive. There's a pretty beach area here that there's access to once you start walking on the trail. It's so peaceful in here.
Harbor for the boats.
So there are jetties out here that it looks like people are walking on. They're on both sides of this, and this one is a sandbar on this other side.
Do you want to hear an interesting fact about Morro Bay?
Sure.
Well, not exactly right here, but do you remember that movie, The Fog?
Yes.
With Adrian Barbeau back in the day? I think it was 1980.
Yes.
Yeah, that was filmed in this area.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's
Somewhere on
cool.
this central coast area.
Yeah, it's
But
beautiful.
I saw The
can
Fog
see
and I
why.
thought of it.
Yeah, it's so foggy today, even though it's warm. Strange.
Yeah, it really is.
This rock is massive. Check this out.
You know something else, Stephanie?
What?
You know how you know we're in California?
What?
Because all the locals have down coats on. LOL,
It's true.
LOL.
It's a beautiful day, almost 70, and we're out here in just a light flannel, and they're bundled up for winter.
I mean, it had to be cold for us to put on a down jacket.
Yeah, for sure.
This isn't even close.
So, Jeff, it looks like what you got to do here is make rock stacks. I don't know, they're like Zen rocks because they're everywhere. So we better let Jeff get on this. Find some good rocks. Wow, look at all these stacks. This one even has a little bit of grass on it, but if you look at it from like landscape view, you just see little towers of rocks everywhere. Nice. Okay, Jeff's hard at work here, building our stack. Oh, it's like Jenga. You gotta make sure it all stays in. Oh, wow.
That bad boy.
Wow, Jeff, nice stack.
Nice stacks.
Look at that beauty. So we are now navigating our way out to this jetty. And as you can see, the ground is very uneven here with all the rocks. Jeff's doing a pretty good job in his hokas, I must say. Just lovely.
Let me ask you a couple questions,
Yeah.
Stephanie.
Sure.
Are we the most ill-prepared adventure seekers of them all? Because I'm
It
thinking
is what it is.
climbing across these rocks with flip-flops.
Yeah, we
It is
got
an
our
adventure.
hoka flip-flops on, even though they're athletic flip-flops. They're just not perfect for traversing all these rocks.
And we're not
But
spring chickens.
yeah, but we're doing okay. We are doing okay.
I'm good.
Yeah,
The other thing I need to ask you is this.
yeah.
I thought that we could walk
Around.
all the way around this rock.
Yeah, it kind of ends right here.
We
The
need a
path.
boat at this point.
Yeah, we would, or a paddle board or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, the trail kind of ends here at the end where all the water's splashing up. But it's just beautiful, nice
I feel
walk.
like the smell of the ocean too.
Yeah, and it's such a nice walk, and you can watch all the boats coming in and out, and the sea otters, sea lions everywhere. Just adorable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful
And
time.
tourists. Kind of fun to watch.
Sometimes it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've taken a lot of people's pictures today. That's what we do. And Jeff always says it's free of charge.
That's right. Hey, Steph.
What?
I've been counting.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I've been counting.
Yeah?
What have you been counting, Jeff?
What have you been counting, Jeff?
Down jackets.
I'm afraid to ask.
No, down jackets.
Yeah, down jackets.
Guess what my count's at?
What?
19.
Oh, brother.
Yeah. And I'm starting to get hot with a flannel shirt.
I know, I'm hot too. It's
Yeah,
getting
right?
really warm out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
down jackets in
Yeah.
California.
So what do you say we go downtown, and see what's down there?
Yeah, let's go check out downtown
Let's go downtown.
Morro Bay.
Yes.
This little guy's just lounging and stretching. It feels so good in the sun. Hi.
From the world of obscure facts,
Jeff has a lot of these.
right? Remember McHale's Navy and the name of that boat? Do you remember the boat? It was a PT boat, but do you remember the number?
I don't.
The PT-73. So if you're ever doing some trivia, remember that.
Okay.
All right. This here is a PT boat right here. I haven't seen one in 40 or 50 years, but that there is a PT boat.
Cool.
Yeah, it's quite a boat. I think that's the Kennedy, our former president, commanded a PT boat. Or maybe it was his brother. I don't know, but I just remember the Kennedys had a PT boat in the military
Interesting.
back in those days. Yeah, he was aboard one.
They're making little squeaking noises. Do you hear that, Jeff?
Yeah.
Oh wow, they're so cute. So now Jeff and I are checking out downtown Morro Bay. We're on the strip right along the bay here called the Embarcadero, and there's lots of shopping and restaurants and little fun places, and I'm gonna spin and show you.
Do I keep up with you?
Yeah, if you can keep up with me, you
All
do
right.
it.
Lost me for a minute.
Whoa! This is an actual bronze bench in commemoration of a gentleman who they said was the best darn diesel mechanic. That's pretty cool. It's on bronze.
That's cool.
It is cool.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Oh, it's red snapper.
Is it?
Yeah.
Red snapper?
Yeah.
Look at that. They look beautiful. So who doesn't love a beach taffy store? So check this out. Jeff and I are going to do some damage in here. Do you hear those sea lions, honey? Jeff has his mouth full right now.
Mom said we can get taffy.
Okay, so we went into the saltwater taffy
See it?
store. We got 2 pounds. Holy moly. And Jeff is having lunch while we walk
I
today.
had a blueberry muffin one. It was epic.
Oh, I had a
These are
s'more
blueberry
one.
muffin. These are cool.
Well, don't eat them all. Save one for me.
All right.
So there are these sea lions out here on this dock. And you can hear them. They're so noisy today. They have boat tours here too, where you can charter a boat and go out for the day. The sea lions behind us on this dock are making a big ruckus out there. They're just yelling and screaming.
Is that what I'm hearing? Yeah. Okay. It's a little foggy out there, so I wasn't.
Yeah, they're hooting and hollering today. They're not. Jeff and his taffy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna go on for hours. Guess who's gonna have an upset tummy tonight?
No, I'm not gonna eat that many. I'm really not. Moderation.
Who can say no to saltwater taffy? Especially
I
when you
can.
walk into the stores and they have like 50 flavors.
Let's show everybody the rock because it's right. Oh,
Oh, there
over
it
there,
is. Look
yeah.
at the fog on it today.
yeah, it's really covered in fog.
Yeah, it's so massive you can see it anywhere in town. When you're in Morro Bay, you can look out and see the rock over there.
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
Well, thanks for watching, Jeff.
And Steph's.
Excellent adventure.
Yeah, at Morro Bay, in Morro Rock State Park today. We had a lot of fun.
Where are we heading next?
We are going to be heading up the coast.
Oh, heading up the coast.
Northward.
Northward?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Thanks to our subscribers.
Stay
appreciate
tuned for more fun and adventures, guys.
Jeff and Steph.
Excellent adventure. Taffy adventure. Bye.
See you guys. Bye.